I'm sexy and I know it. Who's the knucklehead? We are the knuckleheads. Who's the knucklehead? We are the knuckleheads. Who's the knucklehead? We are the knuckleheads.
XTE. EK13XTE. 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 Hello? Can I get the police, please? Hello? So this car just crashed into me and he's running away and I'm literally behind it trying to go after him. I don't even know who it is and they're driving erratically. Yeah, this person has crashed into my car on the side and drove off. His car is breaking down, is smoking like crazy right now. Yeah, he's smoking really bad, he's stinking, there's so much traffic behind us. I'm behind him, the car is about to break down. It's EK, so Echo Kilo 13 XTE. Crashed into me. EK13XTE. E3. On Lower Road right this second. Oh my god, he's smoking up the whole place. Lower Road SE16. Oh my god, he's just smashed into the side post of the traffic light. He's smashing into things. SE16 Lower Road, SE16 Lower Road, going past Lower Road and now turning into the road that he smashed into. Oh my god, he just smashed into another car. He just smashed into another car. Yes. No problem, no problem, no problem. Which is this road? What's the road name? Hi, what's the road name? I'm on the phone to the police.
I don't even know.
What's the road name? He's trying to reverse and run. Oh my god, he's gonna crash into me. Hello? Sorry, I don't know the road name right now. What's the road name?
No, she damaged my car. I'm on the police now. She hit my car now, so I'm...
Oh yeah, they hit my car, so I'm on the phone to the police. What's this road name? What's this road name? Do you know?
Chilton Road.
Chilton Road.
Chilton Road.
Chilton Road.
Yeah.
Crashed into my car.
C-H-I-L-T.
They hung up on me.
Chilton Road. C-H-I-L-T-O-N.
They're trying to move. Oh my god, they're gonna hit the cars. Hello? Hi. The car line cut off for some reason, I don't know why. Chilton Road, sir. Chilton Road. SE16. Shoot. I'm so sorry. Sorry. Yeah, no problem. I don't mind repeating. That's fine. No problem. So Chilton Road. Chilton. So let me get it on my...
Say, mate, you're giving evidence. Get against the car. Get against the car now. Get against the car. Get against the car. Right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
When you're ready.
Right, listen, you're under arrest.
Brandon, hurry up, please.
Driving. You're subject to offensive drugs. Okay, or drugs. Okay.
What? For what? What? What did you do? What? What did you do? What?
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
What? My daughter's in the... My daughter... Stop hiding! Stop hiding! Stop hiding! Hiding! Please hide! Stop hiding! You're hiding! You're hiding! My doors! My doors!
Okay,
My
okay,
door!
okay.
My doors! My door's in the car!
So I'll put you on the floor.
Yeah, I'll put you on the floor, you cunt! You put me on the floor!
Kick me.
You also found under arrest for assault on an emergency worker. Remain under caution.
So females under arrest, assault emergency worker. And you've got... Yes, please.
He hit me twice. And he didn't stop.
Not calm.
So I
I've
kept on
chased her.
driving.
I've chased. Where were you?
On the Jamaican Road. So
Jamaican Road.
I was chasing her.
She hit me here.
That time he was already damaged my car.
Yeah.
Hit another car, more than 4 cars.
So lucky I flagged her down. I had to go after her. Sorry? She hit him. She hit other cars. She hit me. Then I went after her. I was the one chasing her. Yeah.
Time is 22:12. Time of arrest. Okay.
We're taking drugs and got a baby in the car.
You're clearly intoxicated.
She's got a baby in the car over there. And she
Not the alcohol on your friend.
I can see her back. I beeped and she didn't stop. She hit my car.
Reason.
So where's your car? Did she actually hit you?
She hit it, so I chased after her. So she hit me here.
So where's her car? Where's the baby? Is anyone checked for the
My
baby?
colleague as well.
I'm gonna leave that to the police.
Don't even know there's a baby in
I
there.
think they've been told, but they're trying to deal with her right now.
We're getting a van.
I've just finished working though.
What happens when you take drugs? Though? You fucking end up stupid like that.
Stop moving your legs. Stop.
What car is her? Which one's her?
This car found us.
Oh, shit.
Smoking and it was coming back. I flagged her down, but she wouldn't stop.
So how did she finally stop then?
She crashed into that white car parked up.
lying.
And then her tyre got flat. She was smoking all the way from there, from Robert Avenue.
What, was she trying to get away, yeah?
The car, no, the car. This car was so bad, it was fuming into my car.
What they say? She's drinking and taking drugs.
You don't know what she's doing right now.
Stop moving your legs. You're going leg restraints. You don't want that, do you?
She's gonna be soaking when she gets in that somewhere. I know what.
You do say maybe giving evidence.